How to add GIFs in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and start a new project or open an existing one. Once you are in your timeline, it's time to import the GIF. To do that, click on the Media tab at the bottom of your screen. Now, navigate to the folder where your GIF is saved. Simply drag and drop the GIF into the media pool. Once your GIF is in the media pool, drag it to your timeline like any other video clip. DaVinci Resolve automatically treats it as an image sequence, so it should appear as a series of frames. Now, if you want to control how long the GIF plays, you can adjust its duration by dragging the edges of the clip in the timeline. You can also add effects, color corrections, or transitions, just like you would with any other video clip. If you want to fine-tune the speed or reverse the GIF, right-click on the clip in the timeline, choose Change Clip Speed, and make the adjustment according to your preferences. And that's it. Now you know how to add GIFs in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.